My name is Michiel. I'm the branch manager in Montague Gardens, Goldwagen. So we are located in an industrial area. Most of our clients is workshop clients, so we have a lot of account clients and COD clients, but we do also have the occasional walk-in clients as well. But yeah, the shop is doing exceptionally well. I think we're lying third or fourth in the Western Cape now. So yeah, the shop is growing exponentially. The staff always seems to go the extra mile. We have exceptionally good staff here in Montague Gardens, and I could have been more proud of them. Well, if we do not have the older model cars parts in stock, we will always try and source them from them. If it's discontinued by Goldwagen, then unfortunately we can't, but if it's still in stock, we can get from all over the country to get the clients sorted out ASAP. I'm lucky enough to have, I think, one of the biggest warehouses here in the Western Cape, so a lot of stock for all vehicles and for all the clients. So we most certainly do keep all the stock, and we try to keep stock for all the vehicles that are currently on the road. As you can see, the guys had delivered a couple of pallets of stock today. We are still receiving, I think, another 17 pallets today. So yeah, this place will get full hopefully by the end of the day, so we can start scanning in and packing away the new stock.
My name is Gregory Lionel Ingram. I'm a salesman here at Goldwagen. Well, I was a salesman, I became a 2IC here now. I've been here for plus minus 12 years. If a customer comes with an older vehicle into the store, then what we try to do is we try to source the part if we don't have it for them. But 9 times out of 10, we got the part for them. The older vehicles like your old Beetles and your Valiants and basically old cars, they run a 97 petrol, which is a high-octane petrol. And nowadays, the newer vehicles run a 95 octane petrol. Where liquid moly, I know liquid moly is one of them, and I think there's another brand that also does it as well. That brings the octane plus, brings the octane up in the car. Because I know we get a lot of, there's a vintage car collection people in Cape Town here. There's a customer that comes to buy a box of them at a time. And I know he sells it on the car shows. This is one of the old parts we do as a Beetle wheel bearing, but yeah, opening the box is like, it's a release bearing. Yeah. It's actually difficult nowadays to get parts for older vehicles. These become very tough. See here here's old Beetle rubbers that we still do. Quite a lot of old parts still here.
All right, guys, thank you for visiting us here at Montague Gardens Goldwagen. Feel free to pop in anytime for all your quality vehicle needs.